There's a lot of helpful Android users on Google Plus that has helped me these few days when I am testing Android for the first time in my life. It's kind of strange actually. My Google Plus stream has fading away slowly, not having so much interaction anymore the last couple of weeks, months. Even if I have 36,000 followers, I don't have so much interaction. But after getting this Android phone, Samsung Galaxy S3 4G, and start posting about it, videos, post, and asking how to do stuff and so on, my Google Plus has blowing the roof. I mean, a lot of interaction, and all those users that never have comments on my post and maybe even commenting badly on my Apple post and so on. They have started to interact now and helping me with great comments and so on. And I'm very thankful for that. Really thankful. But it's kind of strange that when I'm posting Apple stuff on Google Plus, Google Plus is a Android social network actually. I must admit that. Then when I'm posting Apple stuff, my stream was quiet, not much interaction. Yes, I had interaction, but not as much as before. But now when I post Android stuff, it's a lot of interaction, a lot of comments, a lot of likes and so on my YouTube videos. And the strange thing on YouTube is also that suddenly I have stopped getting dislikes on my YouTube videos, and that's kind of funny. I know a lot of Apple haters that I have blocked on Google Plus still go to YouTube to dislike all videos I do about Apple. Kind of childish. But they do that. But now I have posted 5-6 videos about me testing Android. I don't get any dislikes anymore. I only get likes. And it's kind of strange, but it's funny. I have always tried to say that I am a gadget lover, not an Apple fanboy. But no one has listened. No one has listened. Everyone has thought that I am an Apple fanboy and nothing else. But they were wrong. Now I'm here. I'm sitting here with an Android phone. I'm sitting here with an iPhone. And I like both. I like Android. I like iPhone. I like iOS. I am a gadget lover and has always been that. But no one has understood that. And that's kind of funny. But I think it's sad that it should be like this on Google Plus, that when I'm posting Apple stuff, I only get hate comments and very few other comments on my posts. But when I post Android stuff, I get a lot of comments. A lot of comments. So I think it's kind of sad actually that Google Plus is only an Android social network. Kind of sad. Too bad, but I understand it because Google Plus is the default social network on a new Android phone. So of course there is a lot of Android users using Google Plus, and Android is a Google product. So of course Google Plus and Google, it's an Android thing, really. I understand that, but it's sad. I tried a Markdown text editor on Android called Epistle. it was okay. I can use it, but it didn't support multi-markdown, so I can't use my footnotes in it. And I need all my footnotes desperately. So that's really bad, because this is the best text editor I've tried yet on Android. Still wasn't so good as Byword, of course, because it doesn't have all the shortcut features, all the buttons to create Markdown code and so on. But it was okay, and it also didn't have any great export options. You couldn't choose export as HTML file. You couldn't choose PDF or something. The only thing you could do is export to another app. That was the only thing, and that will work, but not as good as on Byword, if I say so. But multi-markdown support, I need that. I need my footnotes. So I emailed the developer and asking for multi-markdown. We will see if the developer answer me and add that feature. And Epistle is not updated since December 2011, so it's not an app that they update a lot, often, almost never. So that is a bit worried also. And as I said many times before, this is minus for Android. You don't have so many professionally made apps. So, I mean, if an app is made professionally with a big developer company, then it will be updated often and have professional looks and all that. And it's hard to find such apps on Android. Almost all is from a one-man developer or a very, very small developer company. It's the same thing with a GTD app that I'm looking for on Android. There is no good, there is not many professionally made, and the professionally made is often a subscription service there where you need to subscribe a monthly fee and so on. And I don't want to use such services. I don't want to pay a monthly fee. On iOS I use OmniFocus, and it's a quite expensive app to buy, but it's only one cost. I pay that money once and then I get free updates, lifetime updates. That's how I like it, and I don't want to pay a subscription fee for using a GTD app. So the only few professionally made apps I have found on Android in the GTD category, you need to pay a monthly fee, and I don't want that. And the other ones is made by amateur developers. I don't say they are bad. Some of them are okay, but not more. And I need so much in my GTD app, because otherwise I will miss OmniFocus too much. And if I can't replace OmniFocus on Android, I can never switch to Android 100%. That is not my goal either, because this is only for testing how good Android is and Android phones compared to my iPhone. But I was saying that I can never switch totally to Android if I can't replace OmniFocus, if I can't have a great multi-markdown text editor or a text expander app. Another thing that I miss on Android, where I can have a text snippets database, where I can add text snippets very easily to the document I'm working on, the note I'm working on, and so on. So the app question on Android is still the most important to me. I think phones are great. I love these big screens like the 4.8 inch screens I'm using now. I love them. They are really awesome to work on and consume media and so on. I love them much, and they are powerful, and the operating system Android is fun to use. I don't bother with widgets and customizations and so on. I don't like that, but the operating system is kind of fun to use, so no problem there. And I like the sharing feature that is built in most apps. It's very easy to send stuff to another app. I really like that. For example, Buffer that I use a lot. It's very easy to send to that, and Evernote and all that. I really like that with Android. It's great. But they need better apps. They need professional made apps. That's the huge drawback for Android. Huge drawback. Okay. Bye for now.